Welcome to our channel. Today we how to recover your workplace culture with Zappos detailed guide step by step clearly. Start by assessing the current state of your workplace culture. Identify the key areas where culture may be lacking. Gather feedback from employees through surveys or informal discussions. Analyze the feedback to determine common themes and issues. Research Zappos' unique company culture and core values. Understand how Zappos prioritizes employee happiness and engagement. Create a vision statement that reflects the desired culture change. Communicate the vision to all employees to ensure alignment. Encourage open dialogue about workplace culture during team meetings. Empower employees to suggest initiatives that promote a positive culture. Implement a comprehensive onboarding process that emphasizes company values. Provide ongoing training and development opportunities for all staff. Establish a recognition program to celebrate employee contributions. Foster a sense of community through team-building activities. Create avenues for employee feedback and regularly revisit these channels. Encourage leadership to embody the desired culture through their actions. Regularly evaluate the effectiveness of culture initiatives over time. Be willing to adjust strategies based on feedback and outcomes. Reinforce the commitment to workplace culture at all levels of the organization. Prioritize transparency and communication to build trust among employees. Lastly, sustain momentum by regularly revisiting cultural goals and successes. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.